Hello students, how are you? In the last class, we learnt about how to keep our surroundings clean inside the house. So today I'm going to teach you how to keep your surroundings clean outside the house. What does surroundings mean? When we go outside the house, surroundings includes three things: air, water, land. So as you saw in the picture, there are three things: air, water, land. And we need to take care that we don't make any of these dirty. And how can we do that? Let's discuss one by one. So first of all, we will talk about how we should keep our surroundings clean on the land. Like children, when you go to the garden and if you are eating anything, like you are eating chocolate or cookie or anything, you should not throw the wrapper here and there in the garden. You should always throw it in the dustbin. So we should not litter the stuff here and there. Anything which is there in your hand, you should always keep it nicely. And if it is a waste, throw it in the dustbin. When you are in the garden or anywhere else outside, do not spit here and there. That makes our surroundings look very dirty, and that's not a good habit. Okay, so whenever you are outside somewhere, do not spit here and there. And when you are going shopping or anywhere outside, make sure that you don't use the plastic bags. Okay, so plastic bags, they make our environment dirty. So don't use that. In place of the plastic bags, you can use paper bag or cloth bags. Okay, so make sure whenever you are going out and you carry a bag, it should be a cloth bag or a paper bag. And children, in the last class, I told you about the dustbins where we should keep wet waste and dry waste. And we should always empty the dustbins regularly. Okay. So how should we do that? Just do not take out the wet waste and dry waste and keep it outside anywhere. There are specific places to keep the garbage. Okay, so when you take out the garbage from the house, always keep it at those places. If the garbage man comes to collect the garbage, give it to him nicely. So how we can keep our land look clean? First, always throw garbage at specific garbage dumping areas or give it to the garbage collector nicely. Do not spit here and there when you go out. In place of plastic bags, always carry paper bag or cloth bag when you go out. When you are out, if there is any wrapper or garbage you want to trash, always throw it in the dustbins. Do not throw it here and there. Okay? So let's learn about the next thing. So next thing that surrounds us when we go out is water. And we should be very careful that we don't make the water dirty. We should always keep it clean. And how can we do that? If there is any stagnant water outside the house, like if there is any pot or something which has water in it, always throw the old water and fill it with the fresh water, because the old water is dirty and it attracts all the flies and insects. So always fill the pots with the fresh water. When you are outside on the beach or somewhere near the river, make sure you don't throw any waste in the water. Okay, there are so many sea animals and water animals. So we don't want the sea animals to eat that stuff, dirty stuff, because they can fall sick. Okay, so do not throw any plastic waste like straws or your bottle or anything in the water. You always throw the stuff in the dustbin whenever you are outside. Do not make the water dirty. When you are walking side by and you see a drain and you're drinking something, like in the water bottle you are drinking water, you just throw it like it's a drain, right? Sometimes we do that. We throw it that through the drain it will go out, but it doesn't go out. It blocks the drain. Okay. So whenever you are out, do not throw anything in the drains. Always throw your trash in the dustbins. Okay. So that way we can keep the water clean, and it helps the sea animals and water animals too. So let's move on to the third thing. So the third thing that surrounds us is air. Okay, and how we can help in keeping the air clean. So when you go out and if you want to get something from outside, if it is walkable or if it is near to your house, make sure you walk to that place or you use cycle or bicycle for the area instead of using the car, because when we go anywhere with the car releases gaseous smoke which pollutes the air. If it is walkable or near your house, always walk to the place or use your cycle or motorcycle. And other thing we can do is plant more trees. Plants make the air look neat and clean. It binds the soil also, which and plants also give us food. So we should grow more and more trees to make our surroundings look neat and clean. Okay, so these are the things we need to take care to keep our surroundings clean. Clean air, clean water, and clean land. So this is all about how we can keep our surroundings clean. See you in the next class. Bye.